sound effects. I'll narrate through the story, and you just give us what they used to call Foley effects back in the old days.
Yeah.
Live, live radio.
Yeah.
And so you'll make the sound effects.
Garrison Keillor.
Exactly.
Prairie Home Companion.
Perfect.
We're going to get to do that.
We're going to do it right now. All right, here we go. Good Father, a short introduction with Foley effects by Chris Tomlin. Good Father, a children's book by Chris Tomlin and Pat Barrett, is the story of a little bear who liked to help others and a great big king who happens to be a lion. Tucker, the little bear, wanted to help make the world a better place because it was a highly polarized political season and some bears were fighting.
Ow!
Those are bears fighting. Other bears, those in the middle class or lower trying to afford college for their kids, were so hungry.
I don't know how to do that. Bear tummy growling.
Still other bears. Those who watched too much cable news were feeling sick. So Tucker went on a journey to find the king and ask for help. On the way, he received gifts from a raccoon.
I don't know what a raccoon sounds. I don't know what a raccoon sounds like. I mean,
What does the raccoon say?
I don't know. Like, okay, raccoon sounds.
Okay.
Think about it.
An owl, a fox, a squirrel, and some singing turtles.
Jump on in. Now's your chance. The Turtle Town just loves to dance.
You're supposed to sing that.
Oh, well. Jump on in. Now's your chance. The Turtle Town just loves to dance.
We just wondered what it sounded like because it's in the book.
It sounds a lot better than that in my mind.
Tucker wanted to bring the king a special gift, just the right gift, but not a violin or a rake or a shield or a Chris Tomlin Christmas CD.
Oh, come on, you faithful. You want me to sing that?
This is my
This is my debut.
Sing it like Chris Tomlin.
You faithful.
Finally, the king said the best gift of all was Tucker himself, because even though the lion was a great king, he was also a good father.
It's who you are. It's who you are.
The end.